Welcome to another edition of PLP's Distribution Tips and Tricks. Today we're in PLP's testing laboratory and I'm going to go over the proper way to install a guide grip dead end by burying the end of the strand at the crossover mark. Typically, you'll either bury the strand or you'll extend it through the loop and down to your anchor rod to ground it if that's your standards. But we prefer that you cut it and bury it at either the first crossover mark or the second crossover mark, depending upon what hardware you're going on. To do this, you'll simply measure your strand down, tape it, make sure you cut it at that crossover mark where you need it. Once it's cut, simply lay it at that crossover mark, pull it around, wrap your legs. Continue to wrap this grip up, wrap it all the way up and snap it in place. Now what we've done is burying that end of the strand. It makes it all nice and clean, and under load, there's no possible way for that strand to come around and peel out of that grip. Thanks for watching, and keep your eye out for the next PLP distribution tips and tricks.